Hello friends, my name is Abhilash. I am currently studying in BTech first year in CSE department, and I am from Bharat Institute of Engineering Technology College. This is my first project, uh, which is a part of journey in NxtWave CCBP, and I took the CCBP Genius program. The project is about virtual reality. I had done my project based on the nature. This is my project. I just use some of the sound effects and other small 3D models, FX, and some tools. Here, here I added a picture, and this is a panda 3D model which is rotating itself. Here I can change all the directions here. Here I can move anywhere, anyhow. I added like this snowfall, and here fountain with the fountain sounds. Can you hear the sound? Here, wait, I will add it. Forgot to. It's playing, right? Right here, you can hear now, right now. Let it be. You can hear, right? This is again a 3D model which is like welcoming in inside. Here I have added the audio sounds of the birds chirping and the nature sounds. This is my total overall project. I just didn't add much of it, but just did a project based on my idea and my interest. Nothing more, but just a beautiful beautiful nature view of the nature. That's it. Nothing more. Here I can move on. The audio is also based on the positioning. I have done all this using the lessons taught in the NxtWave CCBP program. This VR101 mini project is a part of this journey. This journey is getting more and more interested due to all these mini projects. Thank you NxtWave. Thank you for giving this all opportunities for us. Thank you. This is my project. That's it. Thank you.